The Dewalt Toughsystem charger box is the best way to level up your Dewalt kit. This thing is a lifesaver. Not only can you store all of your batteries and then some, but you can also make sure that they've got juice when you need them. In the top of the lid there are two 4-amp ports and they can charge simultaneously, and this can work both with your 18 volt or your flex volt batteries, apart from of course the colossal 15-amp. And as I said, this can store all your batteries and then some. Aside from the two that you can have charging in the lid, you can have 12 more 18 volt 5-amp batteries fitting in the case at the same time. And you're probably thinking, what about the heat? I mean, that's gonna get quite hot. There is a fan in between the two charging ports to help distribute the heat when the case is closed. When you put your batteries on charge, there are LED indicators both inside and outside, so you can tell when the batteries are full and when they're charging. It also has USB-A and USB-C ports, so you can charge your phone at the same time as your batteries. If you're really smart, you could plug in your Dewalt USB battery charger as well, because you know what they say, you can never have enough Dewalt batteries on charge at the same time. And if I'll be honest, I don't really know who they is. Please, I wouldn't recommend doing it, but you could do it, it's an option. And let's not forget, this is a Toughsystem case, and if you're familiar with this line of cases, then you know that they are exactly like what Dewalt say. They are guaranteed tough. If you already have Toughsystem cases, then this is going to fit right on top via the latches on the side of the case, and this only takes up half the width as well, so it can fit alongside any other Toughsystem half cases or the half bag. And like I said, guaranteed tough. It's in the name, Toughsystem. One of the main concerns you may have, with this is how secure your batteries are inside here, and Dewalt have answered that, because along the lid you have an IP55 water and dust resistant seal, so you ain't gonna be finding water in here. This is gonna keep your batteries nice and secure. You can get yourself a Dewalt Toughsystem charger case right now in the Dewalt Superstore at its.co.uk.